Hi everyone, everything Emloyconcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you are a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us. Today's video is an elegance and celebration, a masterpiece of elegance and celebration. Grab everything grabbable, everything that you need to enjoy this video with, and settle in and let us enjoy this video together. This multi-purpose cake is designed to mark life's most cherished moment, featuring a sophisticated blend of flavor and intricate decor. It beautifully symbolizes love, milestones, and new beginnings, adorned with delicate flowery accents, a touch of gold for luxury, and a subtle yet festive design. This cake seamlessly blends the essence of a wedding anniversary, the joy of a birthday, and the warmth of a new home. A true showstopper for any grand occasion. Guys, settle down, enjoy this video, and don't forget, guys, please don't forget, kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video, and drop your thoughts below. Please watch this video to the end and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys as you watch my video. Yeah, and that is how we finally brought out the house. Man, it was not easy, but little by little, with the help of God, it finally came out and beautiful. If you have watched this far, thank you guys. You've seen how we put the house together. Thank you guys. Please give us our flowers by subscribing to this channel. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can get to know when we upload new videos. Thank you guys for always coming around. Share this video with your family and friends and drop your thoughts below. If there are better ways you do yours, kindly share in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you coming to watch my video every time. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.